Hey guys, so the yen was flat today and the dollar was up. Um, I do think the dollar has made a higher low and it is going to spike probably imminently in the next coming days. And I do think this next spike in the dollar will hit the yen probably the hardest. It looks like momentum traders, especially the algorithms, are still thinking they're buying the dip in the yen. They will run out of money, and if the yen goes the other way, they will um, close their longs, and we could get a pretty sharp flush down in the end. Um, the equities were up. However, there has been a large number of consecutive days. It has been green. So now I'm expecting a sharp drop. I'm not sure when that'll happen. S&P could go higher before this happens, but I do feel the sharp drop will get rid of some of the weak hands, so it can proceed to go even higher. Um, I think gold has topped. There are a large number, especially of retail traders, long gold. And I think gold is going to fall quite far. That there are talks of death of the dollar and it's losing reserve currency status. I not only think that is not true, I think the inverse is happening. If manufacturing is coming back to the U.S., if Trump and we as a nation are at least somewhat successful at lowering the amount of deficits we take in and balancing the trade deficit, the dollar should strengthen and it should reassert itself as a global reserve currency. In my opinion, Trump will at least be somewhat successful. I'm not sure. That's hard to predict, but at least some manufacturing should come back. It's still unknown to which degree. So yeah, I see great things for the dollar. The Canadian elections just happened. Looks like they went with the Liberal Party, with similar policies to Trudeau. I see a pretty weak Canadian dollar in the future. That could be a future trade idea. If there's a spike in the Canadian dollar, that could be a great short. Yeah, I should cover it. Take care. Bye.